VMAC is the leader in compressed air innovation, designing and manufacturing the most innovative mobile air compressors and multi-power systems available. Underhood rotary screw air compressors have been in operation for over 25 years and remain the most compact and powerful mobile air compressors on the market today. These systems are the best choice for fleets when air power, cargo space, GVW, and maintenance costs are a concern. With over 50,000 Underhoods in operation, these systems are proven to provide a lightweight, powerful source of continuous air output in any climate, while taking up virtually no space on the vehicle. There are 4 Underhood models to choose from: the Underhood 40 Truck Series, the Underhood 40 Van Series, the Underhood 70, and the Underhood 150. The Underhood 40 is available for the most popular work trucks and vans and produces up to 40 CFM. The Underhood 70 is available for most popular work truck chassis and produces up to 70 CFM. The Underhood 150 is available for Ford and Ram and produces a maximum output of 90 to 110 CFM, depending on truck application. All Underhood models include an engineered mounting kit to safely secure the air in the vehicle's engine compartment. This is how the Underhood 70 and 150 systems work. The compressor is belt-driven via a crank pulley that is added onto the vehicle's crankshaft. When the operator turns the system on, the 12-volt clutch on the compressor engages and the throttle control increases engine speed. Once the system has built up the operating pressure, the engine speed returns to base system idle and the system is ready to use. Compression occurs when air is drawn into the rotor housing, where it is trapped between 2 spinning rotors. Compressor oil is injected into the rotor housing to create a seal, lubricate the rotors and bearings, and reduce heat. The resulting hot air oil mixture is sent to an air oil separator tank mounted on the frame rail of the truck. After the hot compressor oil is separated from the air, it is filtered and circulated through a cooler that is integrated into the truck's cooling system before returning to the compressor. As the operator uses air, the throttle control will automatically increase and decrease engine speed to match air demand. When the operator turns the system off, the clutch disengages, engine speed returns to base engine idle, and any remaining compressed air is automatically blown out of the separator tank. Underhood 40 air compressors for trucks and vans operate similarly to Underhood 70 and 150 systems with some minor differences. When the operator turns the system on, the clutch engages and the throttle control increases engine speed. Once the system has built up to operating pressure and filled your air receiver tank, the clutch disengages and engine speed returns to base engine idle. While in operation, the compressed air oil mixture is sent to the WASP tank, which mounts in your van's cargo area or on your truck's service body. The WASP tank is a patented waste heat air separation package that combines an air oil cooler, separator tank, and filtration system. After filtration and cooling, the compressor oil is returned to the compressor. As the operator uses air, the clutch will engage and disengage, and the vehicle engine speed will adjust to the throttle set point to generate maximum CFM. When the operator turns the system off, the clutch disengages and the vehicle's engine speed returns to base engine idle, and any remaining compressed air is automatically blown out of the WASP tank. Underhood air compressors are the best choice for fleets requiring the lightweight, powerful performance of rotary screw air compressors while saving cargo space, reducing vehicle GVW, and minimizing maintenance requirements. To see all vehicle applications, visit vmacair.com/application-lists.